Liza? Must have waited up for me again. What am I gonna do with you? I'm sorry I made you worry so much. I'm sorry I can't be better for you. I wish I could be the father you deserve. But I'm the one you got. And I know I'll never be what you deserve. But I will be what you need to get through this. I promise. Sleep well, precious.
Love you, Dad.
Love you too. I'm back. Did you miss me? Because I sure as hell miss you. It feels like it's been an age since this was taken. I'd give anything to go back. If only we could reset. This ugly mug certainly seen better days, huh?
Dad, can you hear me?
That voice.
Dad, please. Do you hear me? It's me. I'm here.
This can't be real.
I'm right here. With you.
Frisk?
I'm here. I'm so very sorry.
What? I don't understand.
Wish I could tell. Could you me?
Wait. Hold on. Buzz off, you pest. No, why'd it stop? Frisk? Not again. Please, stars, not again. Please say something. I can't. Please, come back. Say something. Frisk, I can't lose you again. Don't go. Come back. Come back. Please. I really have lost my mind, haven't I? It was all in my head, wasn't it? You're not here. You can't be. You died. You're gone. You're not coming back. You'll never come back. You're not coming back. You're really gone. No reset this time. Really lost my cool there. Come on, Sans, get your head on straight. This stupid old thing died years ago. It's just the hunger. There's nobody here but you. What? You again? How'd you even get down here? You're really starting to bug me, pal. I don't know how you got down here, but I know how you're getting out.
Sans.
What?
I'm here. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Frisk?
I'm here. I'm really here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that I didn't make it back. But I'm here now.
But how? How are you? Why are you?
I told you I would come back. I didn't plan for it to be like this, but it's beyond me now. I can't reset. I can't talk like this for long, so I just wanted to say that Sans, I'm proud of you.
What? How can you?
I know this world has scarred you. I know it tears at you, eats you up, but you're still you, despite it all.
I'm not. I've done some really messed up stuff.
I know. I understand. Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. It's not. It was never your fault. You were only guilty of caring. For Papyrus, for me, for Eliza. You're doing such a good job with her. I'm so grateful she found you. That you found each other. In Sans. Don't forget that she loves you. We both do, you bonehead.
Yes? What was that?
Our time to talk is coming to an end.
What? No, not yet!
I'm sorry.
Don't go. Please, not again!
Don't worry. I won't leave again. I will still be sad, even if you can't see me.
Please, can't you stay a little longer?
We're always going to just a little longer.
I don't think I can do this. Not again.
You can't. You have Eliza. And as long as she is with you, I will be too. Always.
Frisk.
Be good to each other.
Please, don't go.
Take care of yourself, Sans, because someone really cares about you.
Frisk?
Dad? Must have fallen asleep. I feel exhausted. So much for the nap. What time is it? Did Dad ever come back? Oh, yep, guess he's back. Typical. Good morning, Ruby. I think. Wow, you look as terrible as I feel. I guess I should get this mess cleaned up before Pappy has a fit. Honestly, Dad makes me feel like I'm the adult around here some days. Speaking of, where is that old bonehead anyway?
Come back.
There! All clean. Well, almost. Can't do much for the bloodstains, though. Well, it's clean until Dad comes tearing through here again.
You know, it's rude to talk about someone who's listening.
Dad?
Hey,
How long have you been standing there?
long enough.
I didn't mean... I wasn't saying...
Don't sweat it.
Wait. No, hold on. I'm mad at you. You never came home last night. I was so worried. I thought something happened.
Sorry, Precious. Just lost track of time.
What? Lost track of time? Seriously?
I'll make it up to you. How's about I teach you some blue magic today? Yeah? Think you could forgive me then?
Yes, please!
Wow, that's good to hear. But before we go, could I ask you a favor?
Sure, anything.
Do you think you could... Can you call your familiar up for me?
Oh! Do you mean Ruby? I guess I can. But why? You don't even like her. You're not gonna squish her again, are you? That really hurt.
No!
Dad, are you alright? You're shaking. Have you eaten today?
I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
What? I didn't catch that.
I said, I won't hurt her. Ever again.
Alright, I'll try. But no promises she'll come out. The whole squishing thing aside, I don't think she's gonna respond. She looks really wiped out earlier. Oh! I guess she's feeling better. That's good. So what did you want with... Ruby! Dad, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's gotten into her. You know better than this, Ruby. I'll get her. Please don't swat at her.
It's alright, Precious. She's fine. I don't mind.
You don't? Really?
Yeah, really. Come on, kiddo.
Wait, what?
I promised you some magic lessons, didn't I?
Yeah, I guess.
Best take our lesson outside this time. Paps will kill us if we mess up the floor again.
Dad, are you alright? You're acting really weird.
I'm fine, Precious. In fact, I'm feeling better than I have in a long time.